Hi viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to use filter option and how it is useful for huge database. For example, if there is a huge database, the requirement is only trace out location of Indian employees or Canadian employees or employees based in US. For that we have to select filter, then select location. Simply it will give location wise employees. If you want only India, then select India. Then Canada, you can click Canada and India, then it will give both. This is one option. And another option, click it. We want some employees, basic salary is more than 200 but less than 500. For that, click on it. Click on custom filter. Click greater than and equal to whatever figure you just based on requirement just fill it 200 and less than 500. If the requirement is like that, just put it. You will get the list of employees, those who are earning more than 200 and less than 500. The same way we can do here also. In others, based on requirement we can able to filter out. When we use filter button, it cannot identify the duplicates. For that we have to use advanced filter. There is an option for this unique records only. So let's proceed. For that we have to create one more header. Just to copy the header. Based on requirement we can able to trace. For example, for getting location specific, we need to type location wise. Click on advanced. Just give list range. Then criteria range, whatever filter amount, filter value, just give it. Now it gives only India. Again, if you want filter out based on basic, just type only more than 200, then click it. It will give everything. If you change to more than 500, it filters more than 500. I just remove it. If we not click unique record, then it will display duplicates also. To remove, just click on unique records. Click, then it will display only unique records. The another option, if you want to copy to another location, just click on copy to another location. Just give some point. where to paste. I hope that this video will be very useful. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day.